We're currently in very trying times. With COVID-19 and the introduction of all the quarantines, a lot of people are getting laid off at work, or a lot of people are confined to working from home or working on reduced salaries, or maybe they're on pause right now, unpaid leave in their jobs until things start to open up again, until business starts to get going again. So if that's you and you are facing these hard times, what I want to talk to you in this video, what I want to share with you are 7 side hustle ideas that you could do to start making money right now during this quarantine. Side hustle number 1 is to declutter. Most people, if you look around your house, most people around their house, they have a lot of things that they don't use anymore or that they don't need anymore. Things like sports equipment, things like camping equipment, things like clothes, things like electronics, things like old TVs, or maybe furniture that is lying around that they don't use anymore, maybe they don't like anymore, or they don't need anymore. So imagine if you can get paid to declutter, if you can get paid to clean up your place, if you can get paid to organize. I mean, the win-win is that you sell your stuff and you get to enjoy a more organized environment. You get to declutter and enjoy that space of having more space in your home. So decluttering means that you sell your stuff and you can sell it on eBay or Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and that is one way that you could start making money right away. Right? So look around your house right now and look at things that you could sell and that you could trade and sell on those marketplaces, sell online or maybe even the local marketplace, and you can start to make money from decluttering. Side hustle idea number 2 is tutoring. When you were working in your company, in your job, you were getting paid for the knowledge that you have. You were getting paid for the expertise that you generated from your knowledge. You were getting paid for the wisdom that you assimilated from your knowledge. So think about how you can get paid again for your knowledge. One way that you can do it is with tutoring. Who can you tutor? What can you teach somebody that you already know? Right? There are a lot of schools right now, university, colleges, high schools, that are no longer open, and a lot of parents are having to homeschool their kids, or a lot of college students are having to stay at home. So what can you do for extra income is that you can look for students who want to learn more. You can look for students who want to learn something different. You can look for students who are right now in this lull where they need more help with their learning because teachers are not around anymore. So one thing you can do is to sell your knowledge in that way and look for ways that you can get extra income through tutoring. Side hustle idea number 3 is get paid for your talent. Right? You were hired because of your talent. You were hired because of your talent that you can get an outcome for your company. So how else can you provide an outcome for somebody? How else can you use your talent to help someone with the problem that they can have? And that goes down to understanding other problems you can solve outside of the confines of your role that you have or the role that you had, right? So think about what talents do you have, what problems you can solve as a result of your talent, and go on websites like Upwork or on Fiverr.com and sell your talent, right? Offer your solutions to different problems and put a price on the worth of your value, so that comes from understanding and perceiving the value of the knowledge you have and the value of the talent that you have, and go and proclaim it on those sites. Right? So this is becoming a freelancer. In this time that you have during the quarantine, if you're working from home or if you are currently not working, how can you offer your talent to someone who can benefit from you being able to do something that they cannot do, or from you being able to help them with something that they want to do faster? Right? So go on websites like that, and there's plenty of freelance websites out there where you can sell your talent and people will be happy to pay for your talent because it shortens the learning curve for them and it gets them to their result faster. Side hustle idea number 4 is to rent out your place. I mean, look at your place right now. Do you have an extra room that you can turn into a bedroom? Do you have a basement where you can turn into a suite? Do you have an extra room that you can turn into a family room, and you can rent out your place on Airbnb? This is a great way to make some extra money on the side, because you get to control when you rent those places out. So you get to control when you want to take a break. You get to control when you want people to rent it and when you don't want people to rent it. And you also get to control the price at which you rent it for. Right? So your home right now is primary real estate, and a lot of people are looking for staycations. A lot of people are looking for places closer to where they want to visit. So if you have this option for you, it is great to explore. So the other side hustle option you can look at is renting your place out on Airbnb. Side hustle idea number 5 is to rent out your car. If you own a vehicle, it doesn't matter if it doesn't have to be super nice, it doesn't have to be super expensive, but if you own a vehicle, you can rent it out on Turo.com. Turo is Turo, Turo.com. And there are plenty of people looking for cars, either for convenience or looking for a car to drive for fun. So if your car is a sports car, if your car is an electric car, or if your car is a little bit more on the fun side, then your car may be in high demand on Turo.com. So another option you can do if you have this opportunity is to rent out your vehicle. Side option number 6 is to manage somebody's social media online. And this is especially if you have these skills, if you have the technical skills, maybe you know how to run Facebook ads, maybe you understand social media, maybe you are an aficionado of social media and you are really good at making viral content, maybe you are good at creating content online. If you have those talents and if you have that skill and you have a bit of enthusiasm, then find an entrepreneur who wants to grow their business and offer your services. Offer your services as a contract worker or offer your services as a freelancer. But this is one way where you can get your foot into business. And this is one way where you can learn the ins and outs of how to grow a business. Because when you are working alongside of an entrepreneur who is already successful, then you will see behind the scenes a little bit on how they grew their business. And you can have a hand also in helping them to grow their business even more and to expand their reach and to expand their offerings into their audience. So if you are currently right now looking for side hustle options, this is a great way for you to be earning and learning at the same time. Side hustle idea number 7. Now this one has an opportunity to become more than just a side hustle. And here it is. You can sell your expertise online. Right? This is key, and it could be a game changer for you, because when you learn the ins and outs on how you can package your expertise, the knowledge you already have, package it and position it so that you can market and sell it online, then this has an opportunity for you to turn it into a business, for you to turn it into something, a vehicle that generates a revenue that could replace your previous payroll, that could replace your paycheck. So this is an opportunity for you to transition from the arena of employment into the arena of entrepreneurship. So sell your business, sell your expertise online. Because here's the thing, you were paid for a company, you were hired at a company for your knowledge. That means you already have expertise. This is proof that you have expertise that people want, that you have experience already because you've been working in that industry for some time. So you have experience and knowledge that is valuable. So you have to perceive the value of that knowledge. And then when you are ready and you want to make a side hustle, start with it being a side hustle, then you can sell your expertise online, and this is your foot in the door to become an entrepreneur. So imagine if all you needed to do was to be 2 steps ahead and to share your journey and to share what you did and the pains and the struggles and the journey that you took to get to where you are right now. If that's all you needed to do to start your business, imagine where you could be if you continue to do this, if you committed to this journey. So that is the seventh idea for a side hustle, is to sell your expertise online, because this one could be an opportunity that could change the game for you, and you will never have to worry about companies shutting down or your position being outsourced or companies getting rid of full-time jobs again if you were to create this opportunity for you. So if you are ready for that, if you're listening right now and you're thinking, yes, I think that is an opportunity for me, but I don't know where to start, I don't know what to do, and I don't know the strategies on business, because I've always been working for someone. If that is you and you want to know the strategies, then I have a gift for you. I created a free training, right? This is the exact same process that I teach my clients on how they can start their own business from anywhere, right? If they are currently working in a company, how they can transition into working for themselves and build successful businesses. So I'm divulging this process in this training. So if you want to access the training, then I invite you to visit masteryinsights.com/free-gift. Right? And this is also the same exact strategy that I used to move from the corporate world into the business world. So click on the link below. The link is going to be somewhere below this video. Click on that link, access that free training, and we'll see you on the inside. Comment below which 7 side hustle idea resonated most with you, and which one are you going to get started with this month. Comment below, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell below so that you can receive a notification each time I upload a new video.